video 4. This is examples 1. It's the roof. Okay, so two sides are fixed. Top side and right side are fixed. So two stepped bars. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, stepped bars. So cross sectional area is A1, A2. Length of the bar is L1 and L2. So bottom side is some cantilever type of beam is attached. Okay, this load is at the end support load is downward direction P1 and middle is P2 in the upward direction. So distance of between the two load is x1 and the distance between the P2 and the roof is x2. Okay, so first to take the moment about point A. This is a point A. So A into point at the point A is 0, moment is 0. At the point P1 is the anti-clockwise direction. So positive P1 into x1 plus x2. Perpendicular distance is x1 plus x2 equal to the is the clockwise direction P2. So P2 into x2. Okay, P1 into x1 plus x2 equal to P2 into x2. So suppose in problems, suppose you know the any one values P1 or P2, so you can find and the distance between the forces, so you can find the other one. Okay, suppose P1 is known value means you can find the P2 value. Okay, in problem. So elongation of the bar is del equal to del 1 plus del 2. Okay, this is a del 1, this is a del 2. Okay, this is a del 1 and del 2. So del 1 equal to this is the axial forces is P2. So bar 2 1 and 2 is axial forces P2. So P2 L1 divided by A1E plus P2 L2 divided by A2E. Suppose in this B1 is create the bending in the shaft or bending in the bars. Okay, 1 and 2. So suppose the total stress equal to axial stress of axial plus stress of bending. Okay, so this is the total stress means, so axial stress means P2 divided by A, bending stress means P1 divided by A. So this is two areas A1 and A2. Okay, so del L equal to P2 divided by E into L1E plus L2 plus L1 divided by A1 plus L2 divided by A2. Suppose both the material is same means saying small is equal. Okay, next is one problem. See, is one top side is fixed, other side is two wires are attached. Okay, in the x distance. So length of the wire is L. So another wire is attached, other end is attached weight of the some weight of the weight. Okay, W weight. So automatically the wire is expanded. So expanded length is del L. Okay, so angle is theta. So to find the Young's modulus of the wire, so formula is tan theta equal to T dash. Okay, T dash means is opposite side. Okay, T dash divided by x. So T dash means equal to the del L. Okay, del L divided by x. So del L equal to x into tan theta. Suppose if you know the tan theta value means you can theta and x value means you can find the del L. Okay, so first we want to find the Young's modulus. So Young's modulus, we want to know the stress and strain values. Okay, we need the stress and strain values. Strain in the wire is E equal to del L by L. Okay, strain in the wire is del L by L. So stress equal to P by A. Okay, del L into L length of the wires. So P is the load of the weight. Okay, this W weight divided by cross sectional area. Okay, on the diameter of the diameter of the wire. Okay, so then find the ratio of E and sigma divided by E. You can find, if you know the sigma into E value means you can find the Young's modulus values. Okay. Next is the problem. Examples. So this is the bar 1 and bar 2. Upper side is fixed. Okay, lower side is attached some weight. So this force is P applied in the downward direction. So length of the bar is L. Okay, so this is a composite bar. So is the attached in parallel. So expand suppose if same material or different material means the deflection is equal. Okay, del L1 equal to del L2 is equal for the material. So del L1 is P1 L divided by A1E equal to P2 L divided by A2E2. Okay, so cross suppose P is load. Okay, sharing of loads, and P equal to sharing of loads. P equal to P1 plus P2. So P equals sigma 1 A1 plus sigma 2 A2. The cross section area bar is different. The suppose different material means Young's modulus is different. Okay, E1 E2. Okay, suppose both the material is length is equal. Okay, okay, length is equal. So E sigma 1 by E1 equal to sigma 2 E2. Okay, so that is the same distance. Okay, then only del L1 equal to del L2. So sigma 1 divided by sigma 2 equal to E1 by E2. Okay. This is the problem. This is a problem. Two parallel steel wires 6 meter long. Okay, 6 meter long and 10 mm diameter. Okay, this is the diameter of the wire is 10 mm. Diameter of the 10 mm. They having vertically 7 mm apart. Okay, the distance between the two wires is 70 mm, and support a horizontal bar at their lower ends when a load of 9 kilonewton. Okay, load of 9 kilonewton attached. So here 9 kilonewton is attached to the wires. It is observed that the bar is 2.54 degree to the horizontal. So என்னது the angle வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா 2.4 degree வந்து deflect ஆயிருக்கு. Deflect ஆயிருக்கு. Find the E of the wire. Okay, find the Young's modulus of the wire. Okay, to find the Young's modulus of the wire find out பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. So tan theta equal to opposite side T by T dash. Okay, T by T dash. So divided by 70 del L divided by 70. So del L, so 70 is 70 into tan theta, tan 2.4 degree. So del L equal to 2.933 mm. Okay, answer of deflex elongation is 2.933 mm. So to find the strain in the wire. Okay, to find the strain in the wire. So strain means change in length by original length. So change in length, here change in length is TD dash. So change in length is 2.933 divided by original length is 6 meter. Okay, so strain equal to 0.0004888. Okay, the strain is 0.00488. Then want to find the stress also. Okay, so in this stress, so stress formula is sigma equal to P by A. So P load is 9 kilonewton. Okay, so 9000 divided by 4 into 10. Okay, diameter of the wire is 10 mm. Okay, 10 divided by 1000 whole square, so equal to 11.46 into 10 power 7 Newton per meter square. Okay, so from sigma into E you can find the Young's modulus of the wire. Sigma value is 11.46 into 10 power 7 divided by strain is 0.00488. So Young's modulus is 235 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square. So 235 giganewton per meter square. Okay. So Young's model is 235 into 235 giganewton meter square.